Hey guys, what's going on? It's your dude Wing Cubes here, and today is going to be my first video. Now, I'm not going to talk about my first video because it's extremely boring. And no one really cares, and I doubt anyone's even watching this video, but if you are, hi! Anyways, the first video I really wanted to make was a video about the first competition that I'm going to. That way it's a good way to jumpstart my cubing YouTube channel. And yeah, I know that cubing is kind of dead on YouTube, and along with like everything on YouTube nowadays, everything is dead. There's no vlogging in this one, it is just clips, just to show kind of what the competition was like. I enjoyed making it, I enjoyed going. I went to the Carolina season opener, so hopefully you guys enjoy.
Help me, is anybody there? Save me, I'm running out of air. Calling out Mayday. Calling out Mayday. It's so dark out here in space. And it's been so long since I've seen a face. My eyes are shut, but I can see the void between you and me. And I feel like I'm going insane. Help me, is anybody there? Save me, I'm running out of air. Calling out Mayday. Calling out Mayday. Far from the sun, beyond stars, I hear their song. They're coming closer, talking without sound, calling me home. Calling out Mayday.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. I know that I didn't do too well in the competition, and I'm going to attribute that to my sprained wrist, and not the fact that I'm really bad. I'm learning C-Fop, but I originally had taught myself. I'll make a video about that. Anyways, it's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace out.